biggest plant I ever bought. Let's open together. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, my name is Roos. My pronouns are she, her. And today I got a parcel with a wishlist plant for me. Kind of, I already own it, but mine is really small and this one is really, hopefully really big from what I've seen. And we're gonna unbox it together. I got this from Bladgoud Plants in Tilburg, which is a friend of mine, Jessica. And I have made a video with her before. You can find it here. Whew, I'm out of breath from excitement and also because I'm sick. You might hear some snot in my system. I'm sorry. This time I bought the plant myself. I'm just really excited to see that these are becoming more affordable in Holland at least. So I'm super excited to open it up. It is my #1 plant, the plant that I love the most. So, are you ready? Let's open. Jessica's packaging is completely plastic free. Even the tape and everything is paper, and these bubbly things are water soluble. You will see some plastic here around the plant to protect it from the cold. That is reused material. So here it is. Hold on. It's shipped really well for being so big. It's a big melanochrysum. Oh. And this new leaf was opening, so it's a little bit floppy and maybe sad, a little bit dirty. There's some soil in there. But no, it looks still in one piece. Look how big this is. Ah, hello, buddy. Oh shit, my new clothes. Ah! I have a new outfit and I actually work with them. If you want to try this brand, kind of unrelated, but they are sustainable and they feel yummy. And if you use my discount code YogaRoseCS10, you will get a discount and you'll also help me. So if you're ever in the market for comfortable, sustainable, and fun colored clothes, they have a lot of colors. I absolutely love them. I already wore them before they started to work with me. So super excited that they did. Thank you so much. Colorful standard. I'm still out of breath, but these outfits are actually perfect for being sick at home too. The colors make me a little bit more cheery. And how did this turn into an ad? When I was unboxing a plant, I was trying to show you this. Look how big the leaves are. Wait, we want the nice background. Look at this. Mine has slowly become bigger and bigger, but I'm really excited to own one that's actually bigger than my head. So for the close-up here, you can see the soil. There, some of the soil came out, but most of it's packaged really nicely. The leaf is still in one piece, nice and velvet. I hope this will continue to grow as it gets used to my space. Haha, my space. This is the leaf that came before that. As you can see, it's a little bit hungry maybe. This pattern is called chlorosis, and it often indicates a lack of nutrients. So velvet. Then we have this leaf, which has a hole in it, which I knew already. She told me before. I don't mind. And it's also really big. And then we have several more leaves that are a little bit smaller. Like, see, this one is just a little bit bigger than mine. This one is smaller than my big ones. But in general, it looks really good. There's a lot of aerial roots everywhere as well. See those? And I'm gonna try and grow this in my living room. So that's gonna be interesting. I'm used to growing these in my terrariums and stuff, but not this one. Ah, thank you, Jessica, so much. This is an absolute dream plant. I love how big the leaves are. And I would love to hear in the comments what your dream plants are, because I love how the plant community has such different tastes in plant, and it can change of course as well, but I'm excited to read your responses. Whew, I think it's time for me to rest again because I'm pretty out of breath. As always, isolate your new plants for at least 2 weeks just to make sure that there are no bugs that are gonna mess up all the rest of your plants. Always super important, no matter how trustworthy the seller is. It's always important to isolate, to keep them separate from your rest of your collection. So I'll have to see where I'm gonna put this for now. And I'm gonna pop back on the sofa for a little nap because I'm out of breath. I still need some time to recover. By the way, I did take a test, it's negative, so I just have the flu, I think, or a cold or something. So it's okay. If you haven't yet, press that like button and maybe subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends!